This topic is identifying the properties used to simplify an algebraic expression. So this example says the expression 4 times the quantity 2 plus y plus 8y is simplified in several steps below. Then we need to choose what step we did and give the reason why we did that step. So here's our original expression right here. And then after we did something to get this expression right here. And it looks like the something that we did was distribute this 4 to the 2. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 4 to the y, 4 times y gives us 4y, and then we added them. So that is the distributive property. So that's this one right here. So this is the distributive property. And then the next step, we did something from this to get to this. And it looks like what we did is we combined the y's. These two terms right here, 4y and 8y, are called like terms. So we combined like terms, which is this one right here. So we did this first, then this. And then lastly, we flipped the order. You'll notice that the 12y flipped over to right here. We flipped the order of these. This is an addition problem. It's just like 3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3. It doesn't matter how we write it. That is called the commutative property of addition. So that was our third step. And the reason why we did that is we typically put variables before we put constants in an equation. Here's another example. Here's our original expression. And it looks like the only thing that I did to this 5, 8, 7v are all in the same order. The only thing I did is I shifted the parentheses from around the 8 plus 7v to around the 5 plus 8. And we can do that because of the associative property of addition. The associative property of addition says that we can group a set of addition problems differently as long as it's all addition. So the next thing that we did is we combined the 5 and the 8, and that's combining like terms. Those were both constants. And then we flipped it around so that the variable comes first. That is the commutative property of addition. One more example. Our given expression is right here. The only thing it looks like changed is we distributed the 5 to what's in the parentheses. So we multiplied 5 times 3 and 5 times w. Then 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times w is 5w. So this is the distributive property. Next, it looks like we combined the 6 and the 15 to get 21. The 5w stayed the same. So the 6 and 15, those are like terms, so we combine like terms. And just like with the last couple of examples, we moved the variable to the front because it was just an addition problem. The commutative property of addition allows us to flip the order.